Lock mode feature keeps the Lumina 900 boost headlight securely powered off during transport or storage. Unlock. Lock the light by simply holding the power button down for 8 to 10 seconds. Important. The Lumina 900 boost is set to lock mode at the factory. Unlock before use. Unplug from charger before use. Daylight visible flash for increased visibility while out on the roadways. Cars and motorcycles are incorporating daytime running lights for increased daylight visibility. And with drivers more distracted than ever, we think cyclists should as well. Low battery indicator is cleverly designed into the power button. Lit in blue indicates a good battery level remaining. Lit in red indicates that the battery level is below, less than 20% remaining. Durable and long-lasting rugged design with DuPont fiberglass reinforced nylon housing provides cyclists with the most durable, reliable and best-performing lights in the market. Rely only on quality lighting systems. Superior design and engineering with a custom aluminum heatsink to keep the self-contained Li-ion battery and other inside circuitry at an optimal operating temperature, while pumping out 900 lumens. The sweeping heatsink fins line the profile. Reliable Li-ion USB rechargeable bike light that is easy to charge, eliminating the need to replace batteries on a regular basis. Can be recharged from any powered-up computer, device or AC wall adapter. IP64 rated water and dust resistant utilizing gasket sealing, tuned to withstand diverse riding conditions and environments. Easy oxygen mononitride, easy removal with the quick release tab, allowing you to instantly remove the light from the mount, leaving the mount perfectly in place on the handlebars and ready for the next ride. Perfect for when leaving, parking your bike. Top reviews from the United States. Bright light. This light is very bright and has different modes of flashing that extend the battery life. This replaces my old 900 boost light that just stopped charging. Believe the plug was damaged and not the battery. I got 3 rides in on the first charge in flashing mode. First ride 1 hour 30 minutes, the second was 2 hours 12. Third ride the light lasted maybe less than an hour before it died. All those in the first charge, which is not bad. Haven't had a chance to try it at night yet. I am sure at full power it will last if lucky 45 hour.